Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Kome Olori, founder of She Dares to Succeed. Now on this channel, we cover topics around entrepreneurship, starting a business, making money, productivity and mindset, and a whole bunch of topics that should interest anybody who is looking to become a boss and live their dream lives. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I am going to be bringing you so much information that is literally going to put you on the right path to your dream. And without much ado, let's jump into today's video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about how you can make money on Amazon platform. I know that by now you have heard about Amazon and you know that Amazon is one of the mega companies of our time. Literally everyone and anyone knows what Amazon is. But do you know how to make money on Amazon? Now in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can cash in on Amazon and make a lot of money as well. Are you ready? Let's go. The first way to make money on Amazon is perhaps the most obvious of them all, which is to sell on Amazon. Now, if you watch my previous video where I detailed how to make a six-figure business on Amazon through selling, then you will get all the details that you need, and I'm going to link it up here so that you can click into it and watch. But essentially, for just a summary, the way to sell on Amazon is either by doing retail arbitrage, which means that you buy products that are already on sale in other stores, in your high street stores, and you resell them on Amazon for a profit, and that is called retail arbitrage. The second option under selling on Amazon is for you to go out and create your own brand. Make sure that you find a manufacturer that is willing to put a brand on their product, and then you sell it on Amazon under your own brand name, and so you will be in charge of all the marketing and everything that goes with actually owning your own company. One of the most popular brands on Amazon today, especially in the kitchen area, is Joseph and Joseph. Now that company, I believe, started out creating products that they believed consumers wanted. So if you have a product idea or you have an idea of how to make something that is already on the market better, then private labeling might be for you. So now that we have gotten the most obvious way of making money on Amazon out of the way, let's actually dive into the other ways that you can make money selling on Amazon. The second way that I want to highlight today in this video is that you can actually publish your own books and sell them on Amazon and make a lot of money. It is known that there are some authors that make up to $40,000 every month selling their own books on Kindle. And of course, you already guessed it, Kindle is owned by Amazon. And it is a very seamless, very easy way to create an ebook. What you have to do is prepare the ebook in a manuscript format, upload it to the Kindle platform, which is called the KDP, and make it available for customers to purchase on Amazon. It is free. You don't have to pay anything to join. You don't have to pay anything to publish. But of course, for every piece of work, for every book that you sell, then Amazon gets a cut of your royalty or of the amount that you sell the book for, which is actually a very fantastic way of making money without really investing any money upfront into preparing this ebook. I think the coolest part of making money on Kindle is the fact that you don't have to only publish and sell ebooks. You can also publish activity books for children or for adults, coloring books, templates, journals, and any other resource that you are interested in publishing on Amazon that needs to be read or used in form of paper can also be published. And it is a very seamless process which almost anybody can figure out. Now, the third way of making money on Amazon is also very popular, but I think it is only popular in certain circles. So now if you are an artist or you have a very creative side, then Merch by Amazon might be the way for you to go. Now you're asking me, what is Merch by Amazon? Merch by Amazon is the platform that allows you to sell creative products to the general public. if you know how to create fancy slogans, design t-shirts, design mugs, design beanie caps, whatever it is you know how to design, and you are accepted to the Match by Amazon program, you are able to then sell those fancy t-shirts. You're then able to sell your fancy t-shirts to the rest of the world. Nearly everybody will have access to your t-shirts, to your mugs, to your placemats, to your slogans, even to toilet paper on Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch is a bit competitive, which I have to say upfront. There are tons of people who want to get in and are unable to get in. But that should not discourage you from applying to get into the Merch program and simply start to sell your creative art. I think it is also a very beneficial opportunity for people who are in the space of designing things like greeting cards, stationery, especially since we are heading into the Christmas season and people are going to be looking for such unique resources to purchase for their loved ones. So check out Match by Amazon as a way to make money online, and especially on the Amazon platform. The fourth way of making money on Amazon is by belonging to the Amazon Associate program. I believe that the Associate program is one of the easiest ways to make money, especially if you have something like a YouTube channel or a blog. Personally, I belong to the Amazon Associate program, which I joined about 3 months ago, and it was a very seamless process. But you do need to have a YouTube channel that is functioning, or a blog that is functioning and has at least 10 posts on the blog, because they want to make sure that you have at least a following or an audience that is already interested in your website. The Amazon Associate program is an affiliate program where you are able to promote products that are already on sale on the Amazon platform to your audience, and when they purchase, you get a commission on the purchase, and you can get as much as 40% commission on items that your audience buy because you have recommended it. Now, if you check my description of this video, you are likely to see links that begin with the AMZ, which shows that they belong to the Amazon program. And so it is a very easy way for you to start to monetize your blog, your YouTube channel, your app, and they have a few other options that you can check out by visiting their website, which I will link in this video for you to check out. The next way to make money on Amazon is by joining the Amazon Influencers program, which is perhaps an extension of the Amazon Associate program but works in a slightly different manner. The first way that it is different is that it is open to people who already have a substantial following on social media. So whether you have following on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram or Twitter, then you are able to join the influencer program. The second way that it is different from the Associates program is that you would get a unique URL that you can promote to your followers, to your audience, and in that way recommend products that are already for sale on Amazon to your followers. So you would have a unique URL, which makes it look like your followers are visiting your own website, but essentially they are checking out products that you think are good for them, recommending to them, and they can purchase it straight off the Amazon website. What a cool way to make money, right? The next way to make money on Amazon is what is called Handmade by Amazon. This is the way that artisan creative people can sell their handmade products on Amazon. So if you are a sculptor, a painter, an artist of some sort, a jeweler, you are able to sell your handmade products on Amazon in a unique way. So not only are you going to be listed specifically under the handmade category, you are able to charge a lot more for your items because people understand that they are handmade. So whether you are a carver or a sculptor, as I mentioned, people are coming there to find unique talent from around the world, and that could potentially be a way for you to make a killing on the Amazon platform. Next way to make money on Amazon is called the Mechanical Turk. This is not very popular and it's perhaps one of the least lucrative of the ones that I have mentioned before. But hey, it's still a way to make money. Now, the Mechanical Turk is specific for people who want to fill out surveys, they want to fill out, they want to take surveys, they want to fill out their opinions, they want to do a few things. It's almost like a gig economy, which is perhaps like freelancer or like Fiverr, but it is specific to Amazon. I think you should check it out if you are looking to make some quick bucks. So guys, those are the ways that you can make money on Amazon right now without really spending so much money, especially if you choose one of the options that does not include selling physical products on Amazon. Those are the ways that you can make money on Amazon, especially if you don't have too much money and you're not really interested in selling physical products. If you are yet to hit the subscribe button, I encourage you to do so, because I'm going to be making more videos like this in the future, and if you are interested in this kind of videos, then you definitely want to see it. Don't also forget to hit the notification bell so that when a new video is out, you are going to see it.